Thank you for reviewing a Daratech presentation on the in-car camera demo. Now this in-car camera product has 4 cameras available at all times. One is a 120mm lens, and the second is a 6mm lens. Now the 120 is for the close view on the license plate, easy visibility. Second is the wide view area, which is a 6mm lens. Then you can put the other 2 anywhere you want in the car. You can put it in the rear, you can put it in the right, you can put it on the left side of your car, you can put it on the top, in the middle part of your car, so you can view your passengers. You can view it over the dashboard, so you can see the speedometer. Basically, it's up to your own willing. Also, then this car has remote playback, viewing at all times if you want. You can even cycle through your cameras if you want to just focus on one area. You can move the cameras around at any time. It's easy to operate, easy to install. All you simply have to do is pull down levers. It's a one-size-fits-all rear-view mirror. There is no glare at all. At nighttime, it works amazing, just as well as it did during the day. The LCD screen doesn't get in the way. It's a clear LCD screen, so it doesn't obstruct your visibility on the left corner of the rear-view mirror. Now, this application can be viewed for racing if you're trying to figure out how the gear shifting, if he's slow or not. Also, it could be for commercial trucking. It could be used for cabs, just as in this circumstance. Also, if, say, a cop car tries to pull you over and says you're speeding, you can just go back to your video, if you have a video camera put on your dashboard, and you can prove to him that you weren't speeding. That's if you weren't speeding, though, actually. Thank you again for viewing a Daratech Electronics presentation on the in-car camera demo.